My name is Nkechi Obinwa, the director of the dreamt. I know there might be many out there, especially this period of COVID-19, wondering how to venture out and set up a business, and that's why I decided to do this video. It's my story of how I moved from a paid job to set up my business. I hope I inspire someone today. Many years ago, as I was growing up, I dreamt about owning a factory. No specifics. All I wanted to be seeing was machines working and producing products. It fascinated me. This gave birth to my fascination on computers, which led me to study computer engineering in the University of Benin. While still studying, I had this in mind though, that I would set up my own business by the time I start giving birth. I hadn't married yet, but that was my thought. I started working immediately I finished school with Panabis as an ERP personnel, moved to Dextron Engineering as an engineer, and then landed in Alcatel Lucent as a quality of service engineer. During this period, I prayed for what I could do, never thinking it would have anything to do with selling, because I didn't see myself as someone who could sell. Funny, as every company does sell, if not products, then services. And this is when it all happened. I was preparing to get married to my darling hubby in the year 2009, and I wanted an affordable, gorgeous wedding gown. I browsed online and found a company I could give a design, take my measurements, and send to them to make at a very affordable price. So I did it. On my wedding day, everyone was like, "Wow, your gown is so beautiful." After the wedding, I thought, why not do the same for others? Easier said than done, right? But I had God's backing. I started telling everyone I knew that was not married what I could do, and after many months, I got my first client, someone in my office, and that was the beginning. Yeah, you were thinking after that I started getting orders every day. You wish. Man, I waited months after months before I got the nest. I never gave up. I continued. Orders started improving. Then I decided to start making the bouquet and boutonnieres myself while still ordering orders. In 2013, I resigned and faced my business fully. I started making brooches, lapels, hand fan, fascinators, and all kind of hair accessories, all self-taught. Never paid anyone to learn what I make. Inspiration from the Holy Spirit on various wonderful designs I create myself. I added training and entrepreneur talks. Orders became more frequent. It's been a wonderful ride, with challenges of course, but I keep moving on, knowing that he who began a good work in me is faithful to complete it. Keep watching the dreamt, and you would see where the Lord takes us to.